Hello and welcome to the MStar training session for defining string rules for exam posting. Exam posting refers to consolidating the marks of sub-evaluations of a main evaluation into the main evaluation. For example, adding or consolidating the marks of sub-activities of FA1 into FA1 as part of CCE. So, string rules definition is the first step towards exam posting. As part of string rules, we define the rules for various statuses of the student who have not appeared in the examination and therefore their status has been entered by teachers as absent, exempt, etc. So let us see how to define string rules for exam posting. Click on button MStar and select Module Examination. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you are now working in the exam module. Click on the button Activities and select the screen Exam Result Posting. When the screen opens, select the academic year, select Session, and after that click on the button String Rules. A new window String Rules opens. In this, click on the box next to class and select the class for the selected session. Click on the box next to section and select a section. Enter a rule name in the first box provided below the field class and above the grid rule description. So enter a rule like absent or exempt. So first we are writing and creating the rule for absent students. Then enter a short name of the rule. For example, for absent we are writing AB and this needs to be entered in the box above the column displayed value. More than 500 characters are allowed in this field, though the status is normally absent, exempt or present. In the next field, above the column displayed value, enter a short name for the rule. For example, for absent we are entering AB. Again, more than 15 characters are allowed in this field. Since it displays in the report card, a short name is recommended. In the next box, click on the arrow button and you will see two options, yes or no. Select a value out of yes or no. The yes would indicate that for the rule description entered, the maximum marks would be considered for total result calculation. This is to be selected where it is required to proportionally evaluate marks by considering the contribution of the exam. For example, for exempt cases, advantage may be given to the student. So in that case, we will select yes. But for the value no, this would indicate that for the rule description entered, the maximum marks would not be considered for total result calculation. So in cases such as absent, no advantage may be given to the student, that is 0 out of maximum marks. So, since we have entered the status as absent as string rule, let us select no as max marks consideration criteria. In the next box above priority, enter the rule priority. Example 1, 2 or 3 etc. This indicates the priority the user wants to associate while selecting the best of exams. Let us understand the priority through an example. For example, a student has appeared in 3 exams out of 5 exams and these are his result. In one exam, he has secured 3 by 5. In the next exam, he has secured 4 by 5. And in the third, fourth and fifth exam, he has not appeared. So in exam 3, he was absent. In exam 4, he was exempt, maybe on medical leave or any other reason, and in the fifth exam he was again absent. So in case we have to take best of 3 out of 5, then the priority rule will come into play. So, if the priority has been set for EXE as 1 and absent as 2, so in this case, the exam where the student has secured EXE or exempt will be considered for total marks calculation. So, in this way, we have to define the priority of the string rules. So, after adding the priority, click on button Add and the values in the respective fields get added to the grid below in a row. Now, create other rules like we mentioned the exempt rule. Following the same steps, for exempt, we are using the displaying value as EXE. In this, the maximum marks will be yes because we are exempting a student. So by giving the advantage to the student for exempt and entering the priority as required, clicking on add button, and once these rules are created, click on button save. The string rules have been saved successfully. The message confirmation has come. Click OK on the confirmation message. Now this string rule is now created for a specific class section, and to replicate these string rules to other class sections also, click on the button replicate string rules. Once you click on the button, the list of class sections appear. Select the class sections for which the string rule needs to be applicable. You can click on select all button to select all the class sections. Again, the class sections that appear will be as per the session selected. After this, click on the OK button and the message appears that the string rules, if already available for a class section, will get overwritten. Click yes to replicate the string rules. And the confirmation message for replication appears, which means that the string rules have been replicated. Click OK on the same. And now let us go back and check whether the string rules have been replicated. So in 6b also we see that the same string rules have been copied. Let us check 7th as well and 8th also. So in case you want to add more string rules, the same can be done by following these steps. Let us now see how to delete a string rule once it is defined. In the string rules window, select a class section for which the value needs to be deleted. So let us select class 6th and section B. It is now showing us the string rules defined for class section 6B. Double click on the row which needs to be deleted and the respective values show in various fields. After this, click on the delete button and it asks for the confirmation to delete the row. Click yes on the confirmation message and click on the save button available in the window. As you click on save, the string rules which was marked for deletion is removed from the grid and the string rules saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message. Repeat these steps for other class sections if string rules for other class sections needs to be deleted also. Click on the close button to close this window. Thank you for watching this video.